Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a handyman, a carpenter here in New York City. Let's talk about the Dremel cutting tool. Dremel cutting tool is a high-speed rotary cutter that has interchangeable bits right here in this small 1/8 inch collet. It can be adapted to be, this is for cutting bolts or screws, any kind of metal. This is an abrasive cutting wheel. You can also fit it with a grinding wheel. You can sharpen lawnmower blades with it. You can fit a drywall cutting blade, which is just a spiral straight bit. It looks a little bit like a drill bit, but it actually is used for cutting holes out of drywall, or just cutting shapes so that you can fit a piece into a specific place. You can also put an attachment on it that allows you to use it as a router, and they make various bits that, router bits with the small 1/8 inch collet. Because it works at such a high speed, up to this particular model spins at up to 30,000 RPM, which is great for doing cutting profiles in wood with the router bit, for example. A router also uses a very high rate of speed, but you can slow it down also with this switch. There are 5 different settings for speed, so if you need to slow down your motor, you can do that. The nicest thing about these is their versatility. Because of the wide variety of attachments that are available, you can do virtually anything with this tool. Like I said, you can turn it into a router. You can actually, there's a right angle adapter that enables you to put a small saw blade on here. You can use it as a saw. A similar bit to the drywall cutting bit is a laminate or wood cutting bit. Again, it looks a little bit like a drill bit, but it's actually got a sharpened edge on the side of the bit that allows you to cut cleanly through wood, laminate, plastics, just about anything. And always be careful when you're using a Dremel. Because it does spin at a very high rate of speed, you should always have safety glasses on, as with any tool, but especially with these high-speed cutting tools.